welcome to our channel. I am Tess and this is my dog Buddy. Today I'm going to share our patio makeover, but before we get started, these are the before photos of our patio. The only time I will go out in our patio is when I need to mow the grass. And as you can see, our patio is very uninviting and it needed a lot of work. The first thing we did was the fence. That was 2 years ago. And last year, I painted the exterior of the house. We have a 260 square feet space, and I know I like to have a dining area and a lounge area, so I came out with this floor plan. When I saw this egg chair from Hayneedle, I know I have to incorporate this to the space, so I changed up the floor plan. After having the floor plan, I decided to search for the furnitures that will work for my space. I found this dining table from Wayfair, which I restained and added UV protectant. The dining chairs are from Target. The coffee table is from Wayfair, and the sofa is from Ashley Furniture. The fountain is from Wayfair too. To make the corner as a focal point, I added this string light from Target, and I added 2 plants at both sides to create symmetry. I used an outdoor rug to ground the area. The one on the top is from Dash and Albert. I found this similar rug from Target. This round rug is from Target, which I layer from the other rug. For pop-up color, I added these pillows from Crate and Barrel. So I have a dog, and sometimes I will also have some visitor with dogs. So I decided to put this cute dog bag dispenser, which I'm going to show to you during at night. I really want to enjoy our patio during summer, so I decided to add this evaporative cooler from Portacool, and I will make a review on the next video. I also plan to add these decking tiles to cover this crack. Please comment below which color should I pick. So this is the final look, and I will link all the description below. I really love how the project turned out, and if you like it, please give us like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video. Bye!